What was the point of the intervention in Serbia?
We announced it as we were catching the butchers, the people who were dictators in Serbia.
Yeah.
And that was our excuse. Essentially, it was a much more important destabilization of, we bombed a city in Europe.
Yes.
Essentially, we wanted to Balkanize Yugoslavia, which we did.
Yes.
The same way we're going to Balkanize Syria now.
Yes.
This is American policy. You divide, conquer, divide, conquer. Kosovo was a violation at the deepest level of everything we're talking about. We talk about the rules-based order.
Yes.
We said they're free. You know, they're no longer part of Serbia. Kosovo is a gangster state. I was there. I don't know. I can't tell you. It's grim what happened.
What's interesting, though, is as that was happening and NATO was bombing and Wes Clark was becoming famous and all that, I don't think I heard a single debate in the United States over why we were doing this.
Russia, you would have heard, very, very different. Something like 96% of the Russians thought that what was going on there was a war crime. And the U.S. was establishing the rules-based international order, which meant instead of going through the United Nations, which they couldn't have gotten it through, they did it on their own.
Militarily.
Yes.